Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the Curated Bead box for the month of March titled Sea Jewels. Now I had a 45-minute video of how I made these and I deleted it on accident. I was so upset. I had my son helping me all morning and it is gone. So I was going to undo everything and redo it, and I decided I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you what I made because it's pretty self-explanatory on how I did it. So, and also, if you wanted to get this month's box, there's a coupon code for a 35% discount on the first box, and the coupon code is Harmson35. I will leave the link below. This box is a $20 monthly box, including shipping. And there's also a competition that you can enter making something from this box. And I'm going to enter this set that I made in the competition. So let's see what I made. First off, I made just these cute little pair of earrings using the lampwork beads. I think they're really cute. They're just, you know, just kind of a simple little pair of earrings. So this is them. And these beads are really pretty. Okay, so now for the set that I made a necklace, double strand necklace, memory wire bracelet, and earrings. So this, and I will put pictures up at the end. So this is the double strand necklace that I made. It's so pretty. It just looks like something you should wear to the beach. I think with hopefully spring coming up soon for most people. I'm lucky to live in Florida, so I really don't deal with the winter like everybody else. But, so this is it. And I used, let me get my string that I used. Yeah, this is the beading wire that I used. And if you can read that. So I used this, and then I just, attached it with the lobster clasp and the head pin, and then I just did 2 of these, and then the crimp beads right there. And then I made the inside one a little shorter than the outside one. So I love the way this turned out. And like I said, I will have everything up on a bust at the end, so you can see what it looks like. And here is the bracelet I made, and I put the little shells on it. Put the shell, used all 4 of them. So it's just a nice, pretty little bracelet to make and have. And then these, I made, let me flip these around. Made these little dolphin earrings. I thought these were really cute. So I used that wire again. You can see it up there. And then I just put it underneath, and then went into a single, I had a double strand down there, and I just bent it and then went up into 1 strand. So we've got the earrings, we've got the necklace, and the bracelet, and the other little single earrings. I still have some beads left over. I didn't end up making anything out of those yet, but I will eventually. And we'll post something down the line. But I just loved these beads. I thought these were so pretty. The blue, just just reminds me of the beach, which I live by. I'm very blessed. So yeah. So this is what I made for the Curated Bead box for the month of March. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up for the video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you liked this. And if you'd like to see any other types of videos, let me know if you get the monthly Curated Bead box. And if you did, what you made from it. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link below. If you would like to follow me on there, just click on that. And I will be entering this in the competition, like I said. So thank you again, and see you soon on my next video, and you have a great day.